11 terrible. Pass to number 25. Really bad. No good. Iron small. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Dribble. Number 23. Oh, good. Save. Number 3. Number 23, inbound the ball 2. Under good shot, good for 2. 25. Good for 2. Dribble. Pass to number 21. And it's a foul committed by number 9. Number 21 of ours is awarded to free throws. First throw. It's good. Second and the final throw. No good. Rebound by number 19. 19 pass to number 11. 11 to number 18. 18 to back number 19 to number 9. 9. No good. Rebound by number 3. 3 pass to number 17. Rebound by number 5. No good. 9 of last pass number 3. 11, 18, 3 points made by number 18. Number 17, number 23, 23, never. Rebound by number 19. Number 19 to number 18, 18, quick shot for 2. 23, back to number 21, 21. Last touch, number 21. 10, 11, pass number 9, 11, 18. 3 points made by number 18. 21, dribble. No good. Rebound by number 9 to number 25. 25 to number 18. 18. Good for 2. Made by number 18. Making the Pinay Carlo. Number 23. Dribble. Pass to number 21. 21. Omikon. Oh. It's a fancy move. Same move. Number 21. Oh, number 3. Inbound the ball to number 17. 17 on the side. No good. Rebound by number 3. Follow up. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Easy for 2. 3. Back to number 17. 17 to number 23. 23 back to number 3. Good for 2. 19. Long pass to number 18. 18 to number 25. 25 pick and penalty for 2 points. Number 70 now. Pass to number 23. 23. Oh. Air ball. Substitution rate. Signature is good. 4. Back to number 11. And completed by number 23 to number 21. 21. Easy. Number 20. 20 to number 3. 3 on the side. Good for 2. 23. 11 to number 4. 4. Easy. Oi! Double. Back by number 3. Follow up for 2. 17 to number 3. Properly. Number 3 to number 17. 17 for 3 points. made by number 17. 11 to number 4. 4, ring shot. Yes, 3 points for number 4. Making the score 25-11. Number 17 to number 23. 23 to number 3. 3. Oh, sure. Number 3 to number 21. 21. Good for 2. Made by number 21. Making the score 13-21. Remaining time 13 minutes and 41 seconds. Number 5 to number 4. 4 box to number 5. Number 5 to number 20. On the side. Good for 2. Made by 21. 17 for 3. 3 goals for number 17. Number 3. Dribble. Intercepted by number 3. Pass to number 17. 17 to number 21. 21 to number 17. Good for 2. 20 to number 11. 11 undergo shot. Good for 2. Made by number 11.
I was watching like this.
Number 17. Number 3. A nice block by number 5 to number 20. 20 to number 4. Oh, it's a double dribble. Number 3. Good for 2. Made by number 3. Making the score 20-29, number 3 for 3 points made by number 3. Intercepted by number 4 to number 3. Time out! At the same time, substitute back to number 23. 23, running jump, no good. Back by number 17. 17 to number 23. Good for 2. 22, outscore. Yeah, 22 yan. 3 points made by number 18. Intercepted by number 25 to number 3. 3. Easy for 2. Number 3, no good. Rebound by number 18. 18 long pass to number 3. 3 to number 18. Number 19, again, rebound by number 23, to number 21, 21, good, 19 now got the ball, dribble, pass to number 3, 3, rim shot, no good, rebound by number 9, and it's a foul committed by number 21. Zero, it's good. Number 9, quick round, number, rebound by number 9 now. In again, 4-2. number 25, 25 to number 3, to number 19. Rebound by number 3, to number 9, 17. Oy! Intercepted by number 3. Number 3 to number 18. Again for 2 points. Oh!
We're the one on the right.
Number 55 to number 9. 9! No good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 17. 17 dribble. Pass to number 23. A nice. Oh, it's a foul. Committed by number 9. Number 23. Our first stroke, number 23. It's good. Single. No good. Rebound by number 19. 19 dribble. Intercepted by number 3. Pass number 17. 17. Oh! Intercepted by number 25 to number 3 to number 18. Back to number 3. Good for 2. Played by number 18. Layup short. Rebound by number 18. 18 to number 25, 25 to number 19, 19, no good, rebound by number 3, intercepted by number 9 to number 3, number 3 to number 19, substitution.
Finally. They won it.
18. No good. Rebound by number 3 to number 4. 4. First try in the rebound. No good. Rebound by number 4. 4 to number 18. 18. 4 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. 11. Intercepted by number 3. Long pass to number 21. 21. Easy for 2. 20 to number 18. 18 back to number 20 to number 5. 5. No good. Rebound by number 3 to number 17. 17. Layup. Nice. Easy layup. Number 4. Pass to number 20. 20 back to number 4.
What happened there? No, no way.
5. Palak. No good. Rebound by number 9. 9 to number 4. 4. It's a foul committed by number 20.
Oh my.
Second throw, it's good. Making the score. 29, 50. Number 11 to number 18, back to number 11, 11 to number 5, 5 to number 18. Good for 2. Number 9 on the side. Oh, lakas. 4. Low pass to number 18. 18.
Mom, I tried.
Good for 2.
Mom.
Our team
Now you
dribble,
make
looking
this
for an opening. Pass to number 4. 4 to number 3. 3. 3 again. No good. Rebound by number 20. 20 to number 18. 18 to number 20. 20 to number 4. 4. Good for 2.
You cheated.
4. 17. Back to number 4. Quick jump. Using the ball. No good. 3. Good for 2. 4. 4. Back to number 11. 11 to number 5. 5. Up. It's a traveling violation. Intercepted by number 4 to number 18. 18. Good for 2. 17. Number 9. Out. Number 5. Good. Making the score 33-60. Number 11. Dribble. Pass to number 18. Back to number 11. Muhammad. Muslim dia ini. 11. Dribbles. Pass to 18. Carriera. Good for 2 points. Number 4. Rivera. To number 9. Junicio. Lakas. Bersatu pa rin. Kapapasok lang. Okay. Now number 4. 3 points. Ayan na. Nag-umpisa na. Number 11. 3. Nice challenge at made by number 3. Number 4. Again. 3 points. Back-to-back 3 points made by Rivera. Number 4. Number 18. Pass to number 3. 3 to number 9. 9. Back to number 3. Rainbow shot. Yeah, 3 points made by number 3. Number 4 again. Dribble. And it's a foul committed by number 25. Is 3 points. Great. That's 3 points. Number 4 is awarded 3 free throws. First throw. Good. Second throw. Good. One more.
Tatlo.
Last throw. Good. To complete a 3-point play made by number 4. Number 3. 3 at 2 points. Nice 2-point play made by number 21. Number 19. 25. 9 to number 3. 3 to number 19. Good shot made by number 19. Good for 2. Number 4 to number 3. A nice assist by number 4 to number 3. Making the score 46-71. Number 3 to number 25. 25 to number 19. Oh, rebound by number 17. 17. Pass to number 9. 9. Short, rebound by number 3, Balong for 2 points. Number 25, controlling the ball. Dribble, looking for nothing. Pass to number 11, 11 to number 3, 3 to number 19, 19. Intercepted by number 21. 21, dribble. Make it up, no good. 21 again, good for 2. Susugatan. 25. Back to number 3. 3 to number 11. Muhammad. Tuwaro. Number 9. To number 25. 25 on the side for 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. To number 3. 3 to number 9. 9 again. No good. One by number 4. Rivera. Rivera now dribble. Oh, last touch number 25. Number 1 to number 3. Nice. 2 points. play made by assistant by number 4. Leonard Motley wins. Number 4. Three to number 9. Oh, lakas pa rin. Talagang pwersado. Number 3. So number 25. Number divided by number 17. 17 pass to number 9. 9 to number 21. And it's a foul committed by number 25. Substitution rule. First throw, it's good. Talaga silang sinasayang bato. Second throw, another rebound by number 4. 4 is a 4-2. Oh, foul, penalty foul, number 4. Nice. Foul again. Number 18. First throw, number 3, it's good. Second throw, no good. Early. Number 4. So number 3, dribble, pass to number 4, 4 to number 5. 5. No good either. No good. And it's a foul committed by number 21. Number 18 is awarded 2 free throws. First throw, number 18, no good. Second throw, it's good. Number 4. Boarding shot, no good. Rebound by number 20. 20 to number 5. 5. 18. No good. Rebound by number 6. Oh, last touch 5. Foul number 20. First throw, number 9, no good.
I don't know.
Good! Yun na, umumisa na. Rebound by number 17 to number 9. 9. To number 3. Boarding shot, 21. No good. Rebound by number 5 to number 3. 3 to number 20. Follow up. Good. 4-2. 4. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. 9. Nice block by number 5. Rebound. Pass to number 3. 3. To number 20. 20. Intercepted by number 3. 3. Oh. Oh, ref substitution. Substitution.
Stop, stop. Stop. Stop it, hug. Let me run.
Number 20, the number 25. 25, controlling the ball. Dribble, pass to number 11, 11 to number 9. A nice assist by number 9 to number 11. Basang-basa niya ang takbo ng pag-asing ko. Number 4, Quija. Good for 2. 19, long pass to number 25. And last touch. A nice assist now, good rebound by number 1. 1 to number 9, Dionisio. Good for 2. Sinabi mo na umpisa na eh. 11, inbound of throws. To number 19, 19. To number 9, 9. Back to number 25, 25. Oh, it's a foul committed by number 21. A nice assist by number 9 to number 19, 21. Good for 2. Here we go. Pass to number 19, 19 to number 20, 20. Turnaround jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 21. Oh, wrong pass. Natapilok. Muhammad, number 11. Oh, good for 2. Dribble to number 3, 3, 3, 2. Number 19, dribble. Oh, passing violation. Good for 2. Time out! 5:30 pa ang sub. 5:30. Diyan na. Foul. Number 25. Rebound by number 19. Eight seconds violation. Number 1 to number 9. Yeah, 2 points made by number 9. Narishma, number 25, dribbling the ball. Pass to Muhammad to number 20, 22. 9, no good. 9, no good. Rebound by number 3, pass to number 1. Long pass to number 9. No. Rebound by number 11. 11. Intercepted by number 1. 1. Oh, talagang ayaw. 19. Open Sam. 9. Good for 2. Number 21. Ay, foul. Oh, pasap mo. Anto mo diri. Three dribbles. Number 18. Ariana. Inventu. Number 9, no good. Rebound by number 25. 25.
Isma.
Number 3. 2 points only. Number 1, long pass to number 9. 9. To number 3, 3. To number 1, 1. Foul committed by number 11. Warning for penalty. First stroke number 1, it's good. Second throw again. Number 3, dribble, pass to number 18, Garriaga, dribble, intercepted by Nitsabao. 15 seconds. Foul number 19. More than 15.
Nagalit ako dun na.
More than 20, running time. No more stop. 15, more than 15. Good. Nine. 25. Good for 2. One for 3 points. Foul number 1. Okay, that's it. Winner. Pinay Carlo.